Hello friend, this is Sanjay Kumar, founder and creator of SelectorsHub. After taking the subscription, if you are not able to use TestCase Studio Pro and if you're finding any difficulty, this tutorial will help you a lot and you would be able to use it. It's very simple and straightforward. Let me show you. So after taking subscription, you will immediately get this email from info@testcasestudiopro.online with this subject where you will have the user email and password. If you didn't find this email in your inbox, please check your promotion folder in the Gmail folder or wherever you from whichever email you have taken. And this is the email from which you have entered while taking the subscription on Stripe dashboard on the payment page basically. And if you didn't find this inside inbox, inside the promotion folder, then please check inside the spam folder. And it will hardly take 1 to 2 minutes to reach in your inbox. If you still didn't find after taking the subscription, then please let us know on selectorsHub@gmail.com, or you can directly connect on Slack channel as well, SelectorsHub Slack channel. And all those details you can find it here under contact us. There is a live chat support option as well if you didn't find that login credential. Cool. So for sure you will get that, so you need not to worry that you will get the user email and password. After getting this, what you have to do, you have to install this TestCase Studio Pro if you have not already installed. So let's install this one. So here you will see that very simple 5 steps. So first you install this, click to add Pro version to your browser, and here this is the TestCase Studio Pro. Click on Add to Chrome, add extension, and once it will be added to your browser, here you will see that you will not be able to see the TestCase Studio Pro logo here. That's a TestCase Studio free version, so it is recommended that you install the free version when you have the pro version. So now pin it to toolbar to see in the toolbar. Here you see, and that's all. We are all set here. So you just let's open any website. Let's say we have opened google.com. Here you click on the TestCase Studio Pro logo, and very first time you will see that it will ask you to log in here. So here you have to enter those credentials which you have got in this email. So now enter the credential here. So make sure that you enter the correct credential here, whatever you have got in the email. You can later you can change the like password if you have like if you are able to like you forget the password which you have got by default, so that you can change under from here from profile, and here you will get all the details like each and everything. So this you can change from here. And so yeah, so that's all. Like you are all set. Now you see that it is opening with the default window, and if you start your testing from here, like you search for something or whatever testing you are doing, you just start doing that. It will keep recording each and everything, and then you can perform your testing, record the test case, and enjoy using the TestCase Studio Pro. So this is how it will start recording and everything it will do. If you close this, like next time if you think that will I have to log in again and again, no, you just click on this and it will be all set. So this is just one time process that you have to log in and install, of course. So until unless you will not install it, you will not uh, clear cookies and everything on your browser, you will not have to log in, and it will be always logged in. You just click on that logo and you will be all set to record the test case and everything. So yeah, that's how you can use the TestCase Studio Pro, and you can get started. If you face any challenges, anything, anytime, feel free to connect us on here on Slack channel, or else you can write us at on SelectorsHub@gmail.com. If you have any query, you can also live chat here from the website with us. So if you have any doubt, any query, we are always here to help you. I hope you like this and this has solved your problem and all the queries. If you have any doubt, any question, feel free to reach out to us. You can also let us know in the comment section if you have any query. And yeah, with that, thank you so much. And one more request, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe so you get all the upcoming updates and innovation on these tools and more tools. Thank you so much.